Hello guys, welcome back in my YouTube channel Technocoder. Myself Patel Mohil and I am already started a series on a Laravel. If you are new to my channel, then I recommended to first visit my old video. Link is given in a description so you can visit from there. In last video, I was teach you a brief knowledge of migration in which I covered what is migration, what is the use of migration, how you can create migration file using command, how you generate table using command, and so on. So if you don't see till now, so first visit and see that video. See, before I am start today's video, I will tell you one thing that I will teach how you can make your web page in Laravel. But before that, you must have knowledge of how to create and maintain flow model, how to create and run view, how to maintain flow controller, and how to do routing. And then you are able to make your web page in Laravel. So I will teach you each and everything. So don't worry, only you need to don't miss my video. Okay. In this video, I will teach you a brief information about model in which I covered what is model, how to create model file using command, what is fillable and guarded variable in model file, what is the importance of define primary key variable in model file, and the last is how model flow work in a controller. So the first question may arise in your mind, what is model? Model is the class of PHP where you can perform your data logic and database manipulation, such as if you want to retrieve data, inserting of data, updating of data, and deleting of data from the database. Every database table has a corresponding one model, and model allow us to interact with the table. Now the second question is how you can create model using command. For creating a model in your Laravel application, you have to fire one command in command prompt, and the command is php artisan make model student. You can write your model name instead of student. Now let's see the practical of it in our Laravel application. Now open a command prompt cd. First go through your directory part, cd gem, cd htdocs, cd techno pro, cd demo project, and now you fire command which is php artisan make model and your model name and press enter. Okay, you can see this, your model created successfully. Now close the command prompt and open editor. The first question is come to in your mind, where I get my model file. So click this app folder, and here you can see this, your model file is at the end. Click on that. As I mentioned earlier, model file is a nothing but the class of PHP where you can write your data logic and data manipulation. Basically, any model file contain two things. First is some variable, and second is relationship with other table. In the first part, some of the variables such as first primary key, second fillable or guarded. Either you can use fillable or guarded. Third, table. Fourth, timestamp. And in a second part, it will contain relationship. Okay. In today's video, I will cover only first part, in which I will explain you why this 4 variable is used and what is the importance of it. And the second part, which is relationship, is very big topic because of it includes a different types of relationship, so it will take some more time, and that's why I will explain you each relationship with the example in next upcoming video. First, we will see what is fillable and guarded variable. Fillable means how much fill you want to fill. Those fields pass in one array after you only allow to fill the value in pass the field. And guarded is opposite of fillable. That means how much fill you don't want to fill. Those fields pass in one array after you are not allowed to fill the value in pass the field. Whenever you want to write data logic or a database manipulation in your model file, then you need these 3 things. First is the primary key of your table, second table fields of your table, and the last is your table name. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first variable is primary key. Protected is an access modifier, primary, and here k is a capital. Okay, assign the value. Now second variable, which is fillable or guarded. I am using fillable. And I want to pass 2 fields, which is student ID and second one is a student name. And the third variable is table name. The last is timestamp, which access modifier is public. This variable allows you, when any record is created, it will store the entry of that record. It will take true or false value. So that's all for today's video. If you really like my video, then please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so I am bring this type of awesome videos for you. Thank you guys and see you soon.